On March 3, 1969, NASA launched the Apollo 9 mission to test the first spacecraft with lunar module with crew that would pave the way for future lunar landings. In preparation for the launch of the mission on March 3, 1969, the Apollo 9 consisting of the spacecraft 104, the Lunar Module 3 and the Saturn 504 mounted a crawler on its mobile launch tower from the Assembly Building of Vehicles to Launch Complex 39, Pad A at the Kennedy Space Center. In March 1966, 3 astronauts were chosen for the Apollo 9 mission crew: David R. Scott, Command Module Pilot; James A. McDivitt, Commander; and Russell L. Schweickart, Pilot of the Lunar Module. 3 astronauts complete an adjustment and operation test of the Command Module 101 of the Apollo spacecraft. These astronauts, from left to right, are the astronauts James A. McDivitt, David R. Scott and Russell L. Schweickart, were later named the main team for the Apollo 9 space mission. The engineers created a model portion of the docking system probe of the Apollo spacecraft to demonstrate how the Command Module connects to the Lunar Module through the funnel. The main docking structure becomes the tunnel that astronauts travel from one module to another. The tunnel is formed by a section of the nose of the Command Module and part of the top of the Lunar Module, which are removed once the coupling has been completed to create the tunnel. Within the manned spacecraft operations building at the Kennedy Space Center, team members moved the Apollo spacecraft 104 Command/Service Module from their workstation to the transfer station. The module will soon be combined with the Adapter 12 of the Lunar Module of the spaceship in preparation for the Apollo 9 mission on March 3, 1969.